Well, before moving ahead, I would like to say special thanks to JS Enterprises Boarding Road Samsung Smart Cafe shop because they provided me the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. And if you are thinking to pre-order the S21 lineup, then I would suggest you to go there and book your pre-orders from their shop only if you are from my city. And the managers and the staffs are very kind and humble, and they will help you if you have any queries related to any smartphones. You can also buy earphones and tablets there as well. I will give all the details of the shop like the phone number, address in the description box. You can check that, and again a huge thanks to them. Because of them I am able to make these videos. Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. As you can see, well, I'm not very excited about the unboxing part, but I'm definitely super pumped and super excited about the device. But why I'm not excited about the unboxing? Because if you see the box carefully, you can notice that this box feels very similar like the iPhone 12 series box. And yes, the reason is also the same. The reason is that you will not get any charger or any case inside the box. And that's the reason I'm not so excited about the unboxing part, but I'm so excited to see the phantom black color of that S21 Ultra. So let me remove the seal real quick, and then we will see the phone. All right, and by the way guys, I have the S21 Plus as well. So but I guess by the time of recording this video is already live, so you guys already watched it, and if you haven't watched it, then go and watch. So yeah, let me remove this, and here it is. All right, oh, let me remove this. And wow, just look at this color guys, just look at this color. And yes, that camera bump feels very interesting, very interesting. If the camera will keep the camera bump in focus, if you can see. So yeah, that's very interesting. And other than that guys, you will get a seam ejector tool, and you will get some paperworks obviously, and then you will get a type C to type C cable. So that's the box content guys, that's the box content. All right, now let's focus on the phone, and let me give my first impression that what I think about this device and should you buy this phone. And the starting price of this phone is 1,06,000 rupees. So is it worth buying a 1 lakh plus phone in India with Exynos processor? And how's the new Exynos processor is doing in this phone? I will tell you each and everything in this video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Alright guys, so now let's start with the build, design and color of this phone. So the build quality is actually very solid, and it feels very premium when you hold this phone. And I don't know why, even though it's very heavy, the weight of this phone is 227 grams, but still it feels premium. And maybe it's psychological as well, that yeah, you are holding a 1 lakh plus phone, so that's why you automatically start feeling premium or start feeling very good. But I don't know what's the reason, but it feels very premium. Of course, it's built properly. It's a glass body, and yeah, it's a matte finish which looks just fantastic. And it catches some fingerprints as you can see, but it's not as much as compared to some other phones which have glossy finish. So that's, I always prefer matte finish. And you know, that very luxurious looking camera bump is also very good. And one more thing I liked about the design of the camera bump is that the camera bump merges with the frame of the body. Well, it's not completely merges. If you can see, there is a separation between both of them, but they designed very smartly that it looks like that the camera module, the camera bump goes all the way, and it you know, merges with the frame. But that's not the case. But it's subjective. Maybe somebody will like it, maybe somebody will not, but I am definitely like this design, and it feels, as I said, it feels extremely premium in hand. And yeah, definitely weight of the phone is 227 grams, and it's a huge phone. It's a 6.8-inch display phone, but it still it feels perfect into the hand. And yeah, the One UI designed something like this that you can use your phone with ease with one hand, so everything is fine with the build and the design. Now if we talk about the color, then I guess this is definitely going to be one of my favorite color in the phones, in any phones. This matte black, the phantom black, looks extremely good, and definitely I like this color a lot. And talking more about the device, then you will get Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection in the phone. And if we talk about the display, then you will get a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. And guys, the display experience is just fantastic. If you start looking at this display, you will fall in love. I am 100% sure. So I mean, display is, yeah, the display quality is so good. Even I mean, I will say the same about the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus as well. And the display experience is seamless on both the phones, and it's just great to have such display qualities in your phones. And if we talk about the resolution, then you will get WQHD plus resolution in this phone, and also you will get 120Hz high refresh rate. And fun fact is that now you can use both the things at the same time, means you can enjoy the highest refresh rate, which is 120Hz, and also the maximum resolution, which is the Quad HD resolution, at the same time. In earlier devices, you will get the resolution and the high refresh rate, but you can't use both the things at the same time. Like in previous Samsung flagship phones, if you want to use the 120Hz refresh rate, then you have to limit yourself to 1080p resolution. But now that's not the case. You can use both the things at the same time. The last device which I remember which have the support of both the things, I mean the Quad HD plus 120Hz, was the OnePlus 8 Pro. But now finally we have the support in the S21 Ultra as well, which is a great thing. But I'm curious to know that how the battery life will do with both the things, and also that how the battery life is going to be with the Exynos variant. Yeah, in a Snapdragon variants it's fine, we all know that, but in Exynos variants we see some heating issues, we see some battery draining issues, and we see some camera processing issues as well. So we will find out all the things in this video, so make sure to watch the video. And if you like the video so far, then make sure to subscribe my channel as well. And now is moving ahead, if we talk about the battery, then you will get 5000 milliampere battery, so I'm not worried a lot. But let's see that how's the battery life will go with both the things set at highest, I mean at their highest values. But one more good thing about the high refresh rate is that you will get adaptive high refresh rate. Now if you want to know that what is adaptive high refresh rate, then this will automatically adjust the refresh rate of your display from 10 Hz to 120 Hz according to your users. Like suppose that if you are watching any videos which recorded at 24 or 30 fps, then you don't need 120 Hz refresh rate to watch those videos. So at that time the refresh rate will reduce automatically. So the maybe adaptive thing will work great. Let's see, time will tell. Alright, now let's see the camera specifications. So you will get the main 108 megapixel wide camera with the new HM3 sensor with f1.8, and then you will get a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera lens with 120-degree field of view. Now this time it reduced a little bit as compared to the last gen, and then you will get a laser autofocus sensor, and then you will get two telephoto lens, one with 3x optical zoom and the another one is with 10x optical zoom, and you can do maximum of 100x zoom digitally, so that's good. And both telephoto lens are of 10 megapixel. Alright, now talking more about the video capabilities, then now you can shoot 4K 60 fps from all the lenses, and we already know that iPhone is capable of doing this, and now Samsung joined them, so that's a great news. And as always, Samsung added some new features. This time you will get a director mode in which you can see yourself as well, and you can see the interface of all the three lenses, and you can switch between them, and you can see that what you are getting in the frame. So again, that's a cool feature. If it is useful for you in any ways, that's great to have in your phone. Alright guys, now let's see the battery stats. So I got 3 hours of screen on time with 50% battery remains, and I used this phone all the time at 120Hz refresh rate and WQHD plus resolution. I played Call of Duty, I used camera application in outdoors. So in a moderate to heavy usage, I got a decent screen on time, and maybe by the end of the testing I may get 5 to 5.5 hours of screen on time, which is good enough. Well, while using this phone, I noticed some small things, and this phone has a great haptic engine. You will enjoy a lot while typing on this phone, and going back to home you will get a good feel. And the stereo speaker of the phone is very solid. And if we talk about the variant, then the base variant comes with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, and the top variant comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Alright, so if you ask me that how's the device overall, then I will say that this is one of the most complete device I have ever seen. Like, you will get almost everything in this device. And yeah, it's just that we are very curious to know that how's the Exynos processor is going to perform this year with the new S21 lineup. But overall, this is a complete package. You will get the support of S Pen also. You can buy the S Pen plus the combo of that cover, in which you can hold your S Pen separately, so you can use the S Pen in this phone as well. You can use previous S Pens also. Those S Pens are also supported in this phone, so that's a good thing. So see, a fabulous camera, a very good performance, at least in day-to-day life as of now, and very promising looking battery life as well. Very well built, well designed, great display, great haptics, great stereo speakers and whatnot. So yeah, it's a complete package, and it's a rich bad boy, but definitely it's worth. If you are someone who are very concerned or very like if you care a lot about resale values, then I guess this Samsung or any Android phones is not for you. But if you are someone who don't have any problem with resale values, then you can easily use this phone for long period of time. And also you will now get 3 years of software updates from Samsung. Samsung promised us that they will give 3 major updates. So yeah, 3 years or 4 years you can use this phone without any problem. And this is, yeah, I mean, I like this phone a lot after using it for 1 day only. So I can tell you that this is an amazing phone at a very expensive price. But this is what it is, guys. If you like the video, then smash the like button, and also share this video with your friends as much as you can. And if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and also tap the bell icon. Select all to get all the notifications of my videos, because there are some good interesting videos coming soon related to this phones. All right, so make sure to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe the channel, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.